welcome back to my channel. So today I have a weekend in my life planned out for you guys. I started filming on Friday. Today is Saturday, so the first clips that you're gonna see are from Friday. I just didn't really pick up like the phone to talk to you because I was just like really fatigued and tired, and I looked really ugly all day. So that's what happened. But I did end up actually like going out to eat dinner with my family, so that's what you'll go ahead and see. But I will check back in with you guys in a little bit.
Hi, bud.
Are you ready? Ready to go outside? Come on. Let's go. Good morning. So today is Saturday and I have some stuff planned. I am gonna go to the museum, the art museum, with Kyber and my boyfriend, and that's gonna be really fun, so I'm really excited. And then later on in the day I am gonna go to a confirmation class, not through my usual confirmation class but through our dog club, so I'm really excited about that, and I'm gonna get to hang out with some friends. So yeah, I am literally just packing up right now, getting ready. I literally already have my stuff packed. It's just I get so stressed before I go somewhere where like I'm gonna be far away from home. It's not so far, it's not like crazy far, you know. It's just what? He's gonna be disappointed when he realizes we're not going to the Frost. Kyber, coconut. Oh my god, to go to the Frost, and we didn't do that today, so he was kind of like thrown off a little bit, but whatever, he got through it, he adjusted. Then we just went downstairs and I let him run around off leash for a little bit. Well, technically not really off leash, he was on a Z-collar and he had a drop leash, so like I could literally step on it. Yeah, we did that, and now we're getting a car wash because Elijah has a free car wash, and then we're gonna get Chick-fil-A, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, Chick-fil-A. Yeah, your car really needs it. Hello everyone, good morning. I forgot to vlog last night and this morning because I was just so tired. Like I literally just fell asleep, clocked out of work super early. But by the way, yeah, I worked last night after confirmation class, so I was dead. I don't know how I did it, but and I only worked partial shift. I did not work a full shift because I wouldn't have made it. But I have a sad boy. You can't even see him. He's so upset. He does not want to be talked to. He's like, stop. I'm just bathing Mickey today. And tomorrow I will bathe Kyber because he's got a new shampoo coming in. But anyways, Mickey, look. He's like, nope. Anyways, that's what I'm doing today. Don't mind my appearance. I look ugly, but what else? Why are you mad? Why are you mad? Don't be mad. Hello, I'm just currently putting dogs to bed. I'm so tired. You have no idea. But today was an okay health day, so that's good. That's all that matters. Kyber, it's bedtime. I groomed Mickey. I watched some football. Hello. I started on laundry and brainstormed what video to post next, and now I just need to prepare for a phone interview tomorrow. So I'm really tired, but it wasn't a bad day, so I can't really complain. Anyways, thanks for watching. That concludes a weekend in my life. It's not super eventful, but yeah, actually that's a lot more eventful than my weekends usually are. So there's that. Anyways, bye.